Hi all, just a quick training video on how to use the Yealink desk phone and portable phone that are in your centres. Now this is the desk phone, something we use a lot are these soft keys at the bottom of the phone. This one in particular, do not disturb, where that will switch the phone off from taking any phone calls. You just hit the same button again, of course, to reverse that. These soft keys here will change depending on what you do when you pick up the handset to make a call, or if you've got an incoming call, and also when you're on a call. So these soft keys at the bottom are your main buttons to use whilst you're using the phone. Now, first thing to know, when you're answering a call, you've got a couple of different things you can do. One, of course, is pick up the handset itself and answer the call. You can press the headset key if you happen to have a headset in, or the speaker key as well to answer the phone if you want to answer it like a speaker phone. Now, making a phone call, of course, just pick up the handset, dial the number that you want to call. Might be the extension number of another one in the building or an external phone number. So dial the number and then you press the send soft key. So those soft keys at the bottom of the phone will be one on the left. Will say send. That's how you dial out. Now once you're on a call, you can hit the hold button. So as I say, those soft buttons will change. Got a hold button there once you're on a call. And you can, of course, hit the same button to take the person off hold. Now, transferring calls, when you're on a call, you will see here that the soft key changes to transfer. So you're on a call, you hit the button transfer, you dial the extension number or external number that you want to dial. You've got two options then. You can wait for the person to answer, have a chat to them, let them know the details, then hit the transfer button again, and it will send the call to them. Or if you want to do what's called a cold transfer, you can just talk to the person. You'll just hit the transfer button again. So you call them, hit transfer, and call goes straight away to the extension or number that you've dialed. Now, one other thing, if you've got multiple calls coming in or you want to park a call and pick it up again at another handset in the building, then we use these soft keys here on the left-hand side this time, the one that says park, funnily enough. You're on a call, you hit the park button and walk to the room that you want to then take the call on. So instead of transferring, you can park it and go and pick it up. You just grab the other handset, lift the handset up and hit the park button again, and you'll retrieve the call. Now, that's details for the desk phones that you guys use. Best thing you can do really, place 2 or 3 calls, transfer a couple of calls to each other, and you'll very quickly get the hang of it, much like other phones. And as I say, using it is the best way to learn. Now, the portable phones that you have in reception look like this, and exactly the same operation, but there's a difference. When you're on a phone call, you'll see you'll get options button here, and that's the button you hit right here to select transfer or hold, etc. And if you're wanting to park a call, you hit the options button, you select park, and you actually dial 9000. This will park the call. You can then go to another handset, pick it up and dial 9001, and you'll retrieve that call. So you can use parking, as I say, instead of transferring, but you've got the different options with these. So, and there's also a copy of this user guide that's sent to you guys, so you can go through this as well. But hopefully that helps get you started.